Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make soft and pliable corn tortillas. They are made with 3 ingredients, masa harina, water, and salt, and they are surprisingly easy to make and so much tastier than anything you could find at the store. To make them, whisk together about a cup of masa harina with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add about 3/4 cup warm water and stir until you have a sticky dough ball. For best results, do use a scale to measure. As always, there are metric measurements given in the recipe, and there are notes too on using different amounts of masa harina depending on the brand you are using. For this batch, I'm using Bob's Red Mill masa harina, which is readily available in most grocery stores. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. You want the dough to be the texture of Play-Doh. It should be damp, but not so moist that it sticks to your hand or sticks to the bowl. To make sure the texture of the dough is right, make a tester tortilla by pinching off a small amount of dough, roughly 25 grams, rolling it into a ball, then pressing it in a tortilla press lined with parchment paper. If the tortilla releases easily from the parchment paper, you're good to go. If the tortilla sticks to the parchment paper, you'll know that the dough is too wet and you'll want to add a little bit more masa harina to the dough. Add a tablespoon at a time until you get the texture just right. Once the texture of the dough is right, portion it into 25-gram portions, then ball up each portion. To cook the tortillas, you'll want to use a skillet set over high heat. Lay a tortilla into the skillet and cook for 30 seconds on one side. While the tortilla cooks, prepare another dough ball by pressing it 2 or 3 times so it's ready to enter the skillet as soon as the first tortilla is done. You know the tortilla is ready to be flipped when the edges begin to release from the pan. Again, this should take 25 to 30 seconds, and you'll cook it for 25 to 30 seconds on the second side as well. Keep the tortillas warm as they emerge from the skillet, and repeat the process with the remaining dough balls. This whole process of cooking 12 tortillas should take roughly 15 minutes. From this side angle, you can better see the edges release from the skillet, letting you know when it's time to flip your tortilla. As noted earlier, you want to keep your tortillas warm off the skillet. I love this tortilla warmer, but you can simply use a bowl or a basket lined with a tea towel. Keeping them warm will help the tortillas stay soft and pliable until you are ready to eat them. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.